Dysarthria is a speech disorder that most often presents as slurred speech. A person with dysarthria has the language to speak, but can be difficult to understand. Common causes are muscle weakness or paralysis. Depending on the underlying cause of dysarthria, the severity of symptoms can vary. It is relatively common in those who have survived a stroke or traumatic brain injury, and those with ALS, MS, Parkinson's disease, and other impairments. This can make communicating difficult. A Lingraphica AAC device may be able to help. These devices are designed to help you communicate and improve your own verbal speech. Each device comes pre-programmed with common words and phrases, so you can start communicating right out of the box. If you have dysarthria, you might already know what you want to say. A Lingraphica device can quickly help you communicate your message with just a tap. Add custom icons, words, and phrases to match your needs and level of recovery. Customizing is easy, and each device is designed to be simple and user-friendly, no matter where you are on your journey. Text-to-speech converts your typed words into spoken words. Use built-in videos and activities to practice your speech. Record your voice so you can preserve it. Every instance of dysarthria is unique, so your device is made to be exactly what you need every step of the way. Lingraphica devices are covered by Medicare, Medicaid, veterans, and commercial insurance. In fact, 97% of our device users paid nothing. For more than 30 years, we've helped countless others improve their communication and quality of life. Our team is ready and waiting. Contact us today for a free consultation.